How to see who viewed your Instagram highlights after 48 hours. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Go to your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. In your profile, you'll find your highlights. Click on the highlight you want to see views of. Click on bottom left corner of your screen and you'll be able to see who viewed. You'll find this kind of screen. After 48 hours, you'll only be able to see likes. But if you click on Insights, you will be able to see how many accounts reached, accounts engaged, and profile activity. And this is how to see who viewed your Instagram highlights after 48 hours. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.